right, yes, right. Thank you guys so much for me somehow getting to 1k in like the span of 5 days. I have no idea how this happened, but it's very, 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 very 67 Mango Mustard Sigma. And for celebrating 1k, I have made these sexy, beautiful, totally accurate wink wink rigs that I will be releasing, and this is like a blessing for you guys. I never usually release models. Yeah, they're heavily inspired by Dizzy, if you can tell already. But if you've used Dizzy rigs and Dizzy Dream rigs in the past, it's just, you know, that's how you control them. The only difference of mine though is that the wheels move by themselves when you move it like normally, so it's just easy to animate, and then when you put them on curves as well, they should work. Watch Timothy not work, and I have to restart this video. Oh, never mind, okay. Yeah, and then they follow the curve when you put on the curve modifier. Oh, I should change. Wait, which one's this one? Ben. Okay. Ben. Bill. Okay. So yeah. It would be more ideal if you do credit like me if you ever use these rigs, but like you don't have to. I'm not gonna like kill you, but yes. So have Sigma. Yeah, anyways, yeah, just go use them. Goodbye.